Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So many of you guys have asked me how I stay so organized and intentional, especially on the weekends. And honestly, it's because I created a system that really works for me and my lifestyle. So that's what today's video is going to be all about. And for those of you guys who don't know me, my name is Akima, and I help busy women use meal prep and movement as a tool to help them from starting over again. So if you like food and you want to learn a thing or two about meal prep, or just creating a system that really fits your lifestyle, you might want to stick around because I think you're gonna like it here. I'm actually just gonna get into my Sunday reset. It's raining and it's kind of the mood for a nice little brain dump. That's really the first step of my routine. It's basically creating a list of all the things I need to do for the next week. A lot of you guys get caught up in this idea of having to have the perfect week every single week. And that's really the lie that's holding you back. You're constantly trying to keep a mental checklist in your head, and it's kind of exhausting. The Sunday brain dump is the single most important part of my routine. It's really how I empty my brain, all the scattered thoughts I have for the week ahead, not really just my task, but with my intentions and the things I'm really grateful for. That's how I go from being overwhelmed to more in control of my routine and my schedule. When I'm making these type of brain dumps, I like to kind of categorize it into 3 sections. So for next week, my main priority broken up into 3 parts. The first one is mindset and small habits. So I really want to focus on just getting back into a routine, getting back into my system, specifically referring to getting back into becoming a 4 a.m. girly. When I first started my weight loss journey, waking up at 4 a.m. really instilled a lot of positive mindset and habit attributes that I kind of want to continue. So in order for me to do that, I need to get back into my routine of being a 4 a.m. girly. So next week I want to focus on like smaller habits just to help me get back into that routine. I also have a lot of business things going on, like I'm going to be doing a brand photo shoot next month, so that's also something I have to start planning out, and my mom's birthday's next month, so I really do want to like prioritize my finances, so that's part of like planning for a new month. So now that I kind of have a better idea of how I'm going to head into this next week, I think it's time for us to go ahead and move on, and let's go ahead and start cleaning our house, cleaning our home, kind of just decluttering our kitchen before I get into meal prepping. Here's where most people really get it wrong. You think you need to do a full deep clean of your entire house, but you really don't. We get so hyper focused on all the things we think we need to do, but really, you just need enough to give yourself a little fresh start. Not to be overly perfect, but we just need some progress. I usually do a deep clean on the weekdays so I don't overwhelm myself on the weekends. Specifically, I like to do my deep cleans on Fridays. That way, I can still enjoy my time on the weekends and do the things that I love. And I know you're probably asking, so Akima, what is the point of all of this? Well, this is really an act of care for your future self. A promise that you'll have a clean, clear space to really create and set yourself up for success. It's really about clearing that clutter, mentally and physically, that can really weigh you down during the week. My laundry really piled up this week, and I'm telling you, this is laundry from my vacation. It's kind of a lesson for me. Well, a little reminder actually that not everything always goes according to plan. The key is to really address it and create order. It's not about being perfect, I keep telling you. It's about the process and what is your intention behind it. Now, of course, this is my favorite part, the part that we meal prep, and so many of you tell me that you do not have time for this. But let me ask you, do you have time to really feel tired and sluggish throughout the whole week? Look, the point of this is really investing in your future self. If you keep seeing life as a chore, everything will feel like punishment. Meal prep is how I fuel my body to show up as my best self. This week, I'm keeping it simple and finishing what I have since a new month is coming. It's almost that time of year to say welcome to fall, and I'm actually pretty excited for all these new flavors that I get to experiment as this new season comes. But for breakfast, I'm having tuna salad. It's gonna have less mayo because I don't have Greek yogurt and I'm not gonna go buy some, so we're gonna use less mayo for less fat. For lunch, I'll be doing ground turkey with some soy sauce, mirin, garlic, and mushrooms. Also, another version is gonna have black beans and corn for variety. If you haven't checked my meal prep reset series, you should probably go check that out now. That's where I showed you guys how I plan and I prep my meals. I go through my grocery hauls and all my shopping and I break it down for you step by step. For dinner, we're gonna have Asian ground beef bowls. It's gonna be simple, flavorful, and super intentional. I'm really rotating between those Asian flavors and then the Mexican flavors. And I'm keeping veggies light to really finish what I have. No need to shop for more, just use what's already there, guys. Alright, y'all, meal prep is complete, and so is my Sunday reset. I'm on the couch, I'm chilling with my dogs. Like, I feel so refreshed, and I keep telling you guys, it's not about being perfect every single week. It's really about just preparing your week with a little bit of purpose, with a little bit of intention. Like, sometimes you really just have to be honest with yourself and figure out, okay, what's not going well, what do I not like. You really just have to be comfortable with being uncomfortable and figure out what's working and what's not working in your routine, and then build a better one that really fits what you want and the lifestyle that you want. But thank you guys for watching this reset with me, and thank you for just spending the time just to reconnect and really get ready for next week. Again, I hope you guys like this video, and I will see you guys in the next one.